Hi, my name is Shreya and my brand name is Aura Creation. We are from Kolkata. We are specializes in vintage Afghan and hand-cut glass jewelries. So these are the pieces which you will wear only once, and all of the pieces are statement piece. So we have few collection of hand-cut glass jewelries like this one. You can wear it in a color coordination way. Like here is the motif. In a very nice and a classy choker in pink and black. You can wear it in different ways, in saris, in western, or however you like it. You can see I am also wearing one of the pieces over here as bajuban, so you can wear it like that as well. And also we have a very good collection of earrings like these ones. This is the heart shape motif earring, and we have jhumka attached in it. So this is also customizable. We customize the color as well as the pattern. Another one is this. You can see this is a quite a heavy piece, so if you wear this you don't have to wear any neck pieces, right? So here is the motif, different kind of motif, different kind of colors, mix and match of colors. And also the material is a German silver and also mix of alloys, so it won't get blackish. So it's quite a expensive and exclusive pieces you will be wearing. As I was saying, we also have Afghan collection. So this one is the Afghan pieces. So you can see this is a vintage collection, and these all are like heavy pieces, but not that heavy in your ear. So you can wear it however you like it. Okay, and this is a red color, and this triangle motif is the alloy which Afghan material is like made of. So we also have few collection of bangles like this. So these also are hand cut glass material, and we also customize all of this in color, in shape, and in sizes. This is like a hook system, so you can just pull it and you can wear it like that. So we can do customize in every sizes as well. We also have few other kind of bangles like this one. You can see these are the ghungru bangles, and these are the Banjara tribal bangles we call it. So these are also exclusive, and you will wear it once and a statement piece. This kind of earring which cover all of your ears, this is also a statement pieces. We have every pieces we curate that is a statement piece. You can see this is a dual tone, and we have the stone. We can also customize the stone as well. So it will cover all of your ears, and a pretty exclusive piece. Again, this is a bangle, and this is a handcuff basically. So you can wear it like this. So the piece is like that. It will cover almost of your hand, and it's a motif. It's a great motif, and cutwork pattern is made over here. We also have this kind of jewelry that is a very big jhumka, and also this kind of motif. This is a glass, hand cut glass, and this jhumka is German silver. So we calling it a fusion design. So you can wear it with anything like sari, kurta, anything. It will go wonderfully. So also we have this kind of neck pieces which is red in color, and this is also a vintage Afghan jewelry. So also a statement pieces. So this one is Afghan coin neck piece, also a vintage piece and a statement piece as well. So you will wear it only the neck piece, and it will like enhance your look wonderfully. These neck pieces are hand cut glass neck pieces. So you can see this neck piece is with multicolor tone like red, golden, blue. So we have this one in set. You will get a earring as well with this one, and another is the choker. This is a separate from the neck pieces, but you can wear it together as well. It will go wonderfully together. So if you want a heavy look, so you can combine both the neck pieces together and wear it. Again, this is a choker, hand cut glass with all the multicolor glasses. So this is also a statement piece. You will wear it with a single color kurta or single color sari, and it will look wonderful on you. This is a hasli, and the pendant is Turkman. This is also exclusive piece of Turkman jewelry, and you can see it has a red stone over there, which is classy Turkman jewelry. And this is also a statement piece, but a simpler one. We have this kind of hasli in Afghan jewelry as well. So this pendant is Afghan, and this hasli is in German silver. So one of the simpler side of Afghan jewelry, I can say. So we also have this kind of pendant in glass jewelry as well. So this is the hasli, and with that we have hand cut glass jewelry in tabiz form. The pendant is in tabiz form with the color combination of pink and blue. We also can customize the color of the glasses as well. So we have this choker with hand cut glass jewelry, and this it has golden, pink, and also the orange cord is there. So it is also a statement piece, of course, and you can pair it with single color, any single color clothing item, and it will look wonderful on you. So this is a very interesting piece, that is a Afghan kara, I can say. So this is a spiral kara, so you can wear it like this. Also, if it matches, you can wear it over here as well as bajuban. So it will look unique, and you can pair it in two different ways. So we have Jhumka collection. So you can see the top half is the glass jewelry, and the bottom half is German silver. So we can customize the color, the motif, and also the Jhumka pattern. If you don't want the beads, we can also do that. So if you want simpler Jhumka, we can also do that. So these are the exclusive pieces. You won't need any neck pieces if you wear one of these. This is Afghan choker. This is a multicolor stone choker. So you can wear like this. So you can see uh, you won't need anything other than this. Like you won't need any earring with this. So this is a statement piece of choker. Last but not the least, we have some exclusive Afghan jewelry which you will wear only once. Like other than you, I guess nobody would worn it. So here you can see this neck piece. Like this is a one of a kind neck piece, and you can wear it with single color kurta, and just this neck piece, it will go wonderful. Also, if you want any heavy kind of look, you can pair it with this kind of simple choker, and you can see the look will goes like out of the world. And also you can pair with this kind of earring, that is Turkman earring. You can see also the red kind of motif over there. So this will go wonderful together, but you can wear it separately as well. So all of these are my latest collection. I'm available in Insta. My Instagram page name is aura_creation_Kolkata. So you can order from there. Please visit. Thank you.